Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 420d M Sport 2-door coupe in Estoril Blue. This vehicle features some very sought after BMW options alongside the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. Being a 2017 vehicle, it does also have the facelift. So you can see there the LED facelifted headlights. We do have the full M Sport Plus package on this car. Included in that is the M Sport Plus brakes all the way around. It does come with the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, as you can see there, and they're all in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are in great condition. Down the side, as well as being able to see, it's in very good condition. We've got the satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, along with the BMW sun protection glazing, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. The interior is the superb M Highlight black Dakota leather. By the M highlights, we do mean we get these very nice little touches of the M tricolour stripes and blue stitching throughout. Front seats are both heated with electric lumbar options as well. There is, of course, the Harman Kardon surround sound. You may have just noticed that it's a 6-speed manual vehicle as well. In terms of the rear seat arrangement, it is, of course, that 2x2 seat arrangement, which is all ISOFIX ready with the central folding armrest and our darkened M Sport headlining. Again, all in great condition. We shall head round onto the back of the car, again showing you off just how clean and tidy all of the 19-inch wheels are, and those very standout M Sport Plus brakes there. At the back, we've opted to go for, on this 420d, both the high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser, facelift rear lights of course. And whilst you take a look at just how large the boot space is on the 4 Series coupe, you can see there also split folding seats. It is of course worth mentioning, currently here at Your Next Car, we're running under the click and collect service. If you want to find out a bit more about that, also more about the vehicle, simply follow the links I'll leave for you down in the description. From there you can find out about prices and funding options available for this simply wonderful vehicle. And we shall now go on board. Whilst this is a very special looking vehicle from the outside, there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside, including a full digital cockpit, or full digital dash if you like. So you can see there, at the moment you can think that's a fairly normal looking dashboard display. However, once we start the car up and run through the standard service messages, including the fact I've left that door open, we'll start up and go through into sport mode. Once we activate sport mode, you can see you get a huge digital speedo there alongside the background of the dashboard display glowing red, and that'll also change should we head down into Eco Pro as well. So you get a lovely blue glow, and you'll see this side changes for the charged power display. That is of course for the efficient dynamics. Heading back through onto the professional wide navigation and media screen. This is of course really useful for using the sat nav. Having a bigger screen is of course always useful, hence why we always go for the bigger screens in terms of our smartphone devices. We've got real-time traffic updates to ensure we're on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and we also get all of the standard refinement features in terms of your multimedia, including DAB. There is also music collection. There is also devices for USB and AUX, alongside the regular Bluetooth audio and telephone. This car also comes with Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. So it is a superbly spec'd and very nicely presented 4 Series 2-door coupe with the wonderful 2-litre diesel engine, and of course in combined with that 6-speed manual gearbox as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you found it useful. Again, if you would like some more information on the vehicle, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.